Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mini Kong from the new Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mini Kong, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then we'll leave some space, and we'll make another one that's just going to curve up and down. Next, we're going to bring this line down and back up. And same thing here, we're just going to bring this down and back up. Let's make a line that's going to come up and then down here. Then same thing here, up and then down. Then we're just going to make a little line underneath each eye. Inside of here, let's make a great big circle shape for the eye. And then I'm going to draw another one, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white so we can see he's got these great big pupils. So we're just going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for his pupils. Next, I'm going to make a long broken line that's going to come down on each side. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down and then up and then down here. We'll curve this around and down, around and then down for his nose. And then I'm going to color in part of this just so we can kind of show where the nostrils are going to be. And then we'll make a couple little lines coming off of the nose. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring this up and then down here, almost on like a little bit of a smile. Next, I'm going to bring this line down on each side. Then we'll kind of curve it in. We'll make a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the lip. Then we'll bring a little line that's going to come down and then up. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up like this, and then up like this. And then right around here, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to come in and down. Same thing here, we'll go up and over, go down, go in, and then down here. Then we'll bring this line over. And then we'll just make some little lines that curve around. And then we'll make a few little lines that are just going to kind of curve in right inside of there. Right here, I'm going to bring kind of like a pointed line down on each side. And then I'll draw a line for the ear. It's going to go up. It's going to come out pretty far down here and then in. Same thing here. It's going to go up. It's going to come out farther at the bottom and then come in. Make a little line that curves in on each side. Then a little broken line around it on each side. And then a little line that curves around. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. It's going to be real pointed and jagged. And then it's going to come down. This way we can kind of show some fur. And then I'm going to bring this line down. It's going to come down and then back up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. Now for the chest, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and in here. And then same thing, down and then in here. And a little broken line across. Little line here, and then a little line right there. And we're going to put some like pointed lines on here just to make the fur. And we'll put a few little extra lines on here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and in. Kind of down with these jagged lines and in. Then out here, I'm going to bring kind of like a curved pointed line. It's going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to bring this one out a little bit farther for his arms. I'm going to make the hair a little bit longer here. It's a little bit wider, and then it's going to get skinnier as it comes back. Same thing here, a little skinnier, and then it gets wider down the forearm. Now for some details, I'm just going to add some little lines for some hair right along here. And then a few little quick lines on there. And a couple more little broken lines right across the face here. Now I'm going to make just a few kind of longer lines kind of on the inside of the arms. And then a few little lines here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Mini Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.